Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to use sort by in Google Drive on desktop, or you can also do it in your mobile device so that you can find the files faster and stay organized. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your drive in your web browser. Over here, you need to basically log in into your account. Now, if you have a lot of files available here on the home page, in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see the option of sort button. So you can click on that button, and with the help of that, you can basically modify everything that you see over here. You can just sort it with the help of the name, last modified by me, and last opened by me. You can click on any of the options in order to sort it, like you can click again in order to toggle it for the ascending or the descending direction. Now here you will also see the option of switch views. So this is the list view that you are seeing it over here. But if you want to view it in the different form, you can simply click on this grid layout in the right hand section. Then it will come something like this. Over here in the My Drive, you will also see the type. So basically, you can use these in order to put the filter on your files and your folders. So let's say you want to select the spreadsheets. So you can select the spreadsheets option and it will show you the spreadsheets only. Similarly, if you want to arrange your files and folders, you can click on the option of modified and select it as last edited or anything. You can also select it with the help of the source like the Gmail and the Meet. So this is how you can basically use this sort option in your Google Drive. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.